Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a great vehicle this is. Very unusual. This is the Citroen Nemo Multispace 1.3 HDI diesel. If you're after a practical load carrier, people carrier vehicle that does the job, this has got to be the one. 65 plus miles per gallon claimed by Citroen, £30 road tax. What amazing little car it is. A little bit off the ground, so a lot easier access to get in and out of the vehicle. Obviously two side sliding doors. Lots of headroom. If you want to carry lots of goods and people in comfort with lots of space, this has got to be the one. Nice low loading area. All nice and clean, not been abused. Got split folding rear seats, removable seats. Very easy access. Registered in 2012 on a 62 plate. It is beautiful all the way around. It really has been very well looked after. Not been abused anywhere at all. Bodywork is lovely all the way around. No nasty dents, scratches, dings or scuffs anywhere. It's got the wheel trims on. We've just replaced two rear tyres, just serviced it ready. Very practical. Sliding doors at the rear. 3 adults in there, fully comfortable. Plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom. Or you can drop the seats down and carry lots of luggage in the back. Lots of storage everywhere, lots of pockets. The upholstery is in lovely condition. Non-smoker's car, no horrible smells. Again, all the bodywork all the way around. Very nice indeed. A very practical, usable everyday vehicle. Look at that for easy access to the rear. Electric windows, again more storage, the door pockets, electric mirrors. Just 42,710 miles, that's what it's done, 42,710. Central armrest. No fancy toys. Stereo CD, MP3 compatible, onboard computer, 5-speed manual gearbox, just serviced, ready to go, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, a great workhorse. £30 road tax as I mentioned, and 65 plus miles per gallon. Fabulous example. Any further details, please just feel free to give us a call on 01782 822 700. You can click and reserve this car direct off our website, click and reserve. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.